Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jimmy! I wish you good health, happiness, and abundance so that you can help more people live a healthier and better life. I appreciate your support and guidance to every one of us in the team. Thank you so much for being an inspirational team leader. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to our Jimmy! I thank the Almighty God for giving us a leader that is insightful and inspirational. Thank you for giving us lessons in life. I'm very grateful that I've got to hear this from you. I may not have any materials to give you as a present, but do know that I will pray to God to give you more blessings you deserve. Happy birthday, Jimmy!
Happiest birthday, Jimmy. I appreciate you for being such a good leader and example, and I appreciate your unwavering commitment to help us all to achieve our goals. Again, happy birthday, God bless, and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Jimmy! Thank you for your guidance and continuous support to all of us. Your hard work and dedication inspire us to give our best. Here's to another year of your wisdom and experience. Have fun on your birthday!
Happy birthday, Jimmy! Wishing you health, happiness, and blessings in everything you do. Thank you very much for being such an inspiration for all of us at Team Achieve. And thank you for always giving me chance to grow, to improve, and to be the best version of myself. I wish you have a blessed birthday and may all of your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Jimmy! I appreciate your dedication, passion, and the inspiration you bring to all of us. Thank you for being a remarkable leader and an incredible role model. Wishing you all the joy and success on your special day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jimmy!
Happy birthday, Sir Jimmy! I really appreciate all the valuable lessons, guidance, and support you have given me both professionally and personally. Your leadership is truly inspiring. Your kindness and generosity not only made a great impact to me, to the team, but also to the different communities that you have shared your time, talents, and treasures. Happy birthday and enjoy your special day.
Hello, Jimmy. Happy birthday. I appreciate your vision for the clinic, your commitment to serve, and your heart to lead. Thank you so much for being so inspirational, and I wish you all the best on your special day.
Hi, Jimmy. Happy birthday. Thank you for always give us the guidance and also teach us the thinking process. I hope you enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Jimmy. Thank you for being an inspiring leader and mentor. Your guidance has shaped not only my professional journey, but also encouraged me personally and spiritually. I pray that God continues to bless you with wisdom, strength, and joy as you serve and lead others. Wishing you a wonderful birthday and a blessed year ahead.
Happy birthday, Jimmy! For your birthday gift, I'll give you 1 day of peace and quiet. Thank you for always listening to my endless talk and to take me on to an e-bike tour. This time you let me to stay on the bike. Well, I love you so much, babe. I cannot wait to see where God will take us. I am so blessed to do this life with you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me! So why am I doing a birthday video for myself? I learned in the Korean culture that when someone celebrates their birthday, they actually buy presents not for themselves, but they buy presents for their mother because it was their mother that gave birth to them. So every time we have a birthday, we should be celebrating our mother. So I'm using that tradition and applying it to our team and my birthday, because I would not be where I am today without my team. So my birthday, really, it's a celebration not of me. It's a celebration, number one, of God, because He designed us and everything is through Him. But He also brought us the team. He brought me the team that we currently have. So happy birthday to my team. Happy birthday to God and for His grace and His blessings that He's given to my life. And so my celebration for my birthday is to celebrate my team. Celebrate God first and foremost, but also celebrate our team, because without the team, without you, without my team, I would not be in the position that I am today and have the success that I have today. So happy birthday to my team.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.